Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2011 Ford Escape. With just over 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, and air conditioning. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Ford's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.